Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the leg assembly in a Maytag washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need an adjustable wrench, a pair of channel locks, some penetrating oil, and a level. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new leg assembly. The adjustable legs allows the washer to be properly leveled. The main reason for replacing the leg assembly is if its threads are stripped or corroded, no longer allow the washer to be leveled, causing it to vibrate during spinning. Let's tilt the washer back and lean it on the support. You might need a second person if it's too heavy for you. Careful, make sure it's sturdy. Put the towel on the floor and then squirt some penetrating oil on the leg, and using the adjustable wrench, loosen up the lock nut by turning it counterclockwise. If the leg won't turn, use the channel block pliers to unscrew it, turning counterclockwise also. This is the old leg assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Screw in manually the new leg assembly. Bring the lock nut up by turning it clockwise. Match the length of the leg on the opposite side with the new one. Let's remove the towel. All right, now let's put the washer down on its four legs. And now we can level it. All right, using a level, we're going to check if it's installed perfectly leveled. See, the bubble is moved a little bit on the side, so that means the rear end has to be raised a little bit. Okay, let's check the opposite side. Shows the same thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the rear and let the rear legs to self-adjust. And now we're going to check it again. As you can see, the bubble is right in the middle. Now next, we're going to check the opposite side. Same thing. And now we're going to check the horizontal. And let's see. Right in there, in the middle. It's perfectly leveled. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.